In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a port in AWS in just 5 minutes. Opening a port is a crucial task when managing your cloud infrastructure, as it allows your applications to communicate with the outside world. This task can seem daunting at first, but with these simple steps, you'll be able to accomplish it swiftly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the AWS website. If it's your first time here, or you haven't bookmarked it yet, just type AWS into your search bar, and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the AWS site, locate and click on Sign In. AWS offers different sign-in options, so you'll need to select whether you're logging in as a root user or an IAM user. The root user is essentially the administrator account, whereas IAM users are often individual accounts assigned to different team members with specific permissions. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Once inside the AWS Management Console, locate the EC2 service from the list of services. You can do this by either searching in the Find Services bar or scrolling through the categories. Click on EC2 to open the EC2 dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your EC2 instances, which are essentially virtual servers running in the AWS cloud. Find the specific EC2 instance for which you wish to open a port. On the EC2 instance detail page, locate the Security tab. This is where you can manage security settings for your instance. You'll need to identify the security group associated with your instance. Security groups in AWS are like virtual firewalls that control the traffic to your instances. Click on the Security Group ID to delve into more specific settings and configurations. In the Security Group details, switch to the Inbound Rules tab. This is a crucial area as inbound rules determine which incoming traffic is allowed to reach your instance. To make changes, click Edit Inbound Rules. Next, click Add Rule. This will provide you with several options to define your new rule. These include the type, which specifies the protocol, along with the port range, where you'll input the port number you wish to open. The source field allows you to specify the IP range that can access your port, and you might also see a description field where you can add notes for your reference or for your team. Once you've configured your new inbound rule, make sure everything is correct and click Save Rules. This action applies your changes, allowing data to pass through your freshly opened port according to the parameters you've set. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a port in AWS. This process ensures your applications remain secure yet accessible, balancing functionality with protection. Thank you for watching, and happy cloud computing.